Hey, it's Ellen. How are you doing today? Thank you for stopping by our sales page. Let me tell you about the three-part workshop series I'm hosting in January. It's going to be starting the second Thursday of January, and we will meet for 60 to 90 minutes every week for 3 weeks, okay, back to back. We'll address a particular topic. So there's 3 workshops. Workshop number 1 will be pre-campaign launch. Workshop number 2 will be an optimization, because after you set up your campaign effectively and efficiently, you got to be able to make decisions intelligently based on your data without spending too much time in Excel. More on that in a second. And the third workshop is going to be on reporting, because now that you set it up successfully, now that you're optimizing, now you have to actually translate all of those changes to stakeholders. Stakeholders could be your account management team, your client service team. It could be the sales team. It could also be your AD, your associate director, your director. It doesn't matter. But you have to have the proper tools to communicate this data back in a language that they will understand, but also in a language that will be interesting to them. And so we're going to teach you the proper tools to really just continue using it for the rest of 2025. So why should you join? Most likely you've been told before, you should already know this stuff, or you are the expert, you're the SME on this, you should be the one answering this question. Deep down, you're probably secretly unsure, and I've been this person before. This is why I'm here, to tell you that it is okay to be this person, and no, you don't have to know it all. You just have to figure out how to continue learning and implementing. And that's what one of the workshops are going to be. Here's another reason why you're here, is that the industry has prioritized speed over proper onboarding of our juniors, even senior level employees. And so it leaves a gap, serious gap of knowledge in our companies, and that's a big problem. Okay. Another reason why you might be here is because maybe there's been some common mistakes, some repetitive mistakes. A delay has been launched, right? A campaign has not started on time. Creative has run incorrectly, whether it's a wrong message or it's the wrong URL. Think of it as like a targeting missteps. Strategy misalignments. We're not clear on KPIs. Oh my gosh, how many times have I had that conversation? Or maybe you're spending hours with, like, listen, Excel is big, but you should not be spending hours in Excel without being able to pull significant and substantial insights. So we're going to specifically in workshop 3, we'll talk about the reporting piece of things. And then finally, you're here because you know there are things you want to address in 2025. And so those 3-part workshops are we're not only going to be hands-on keyboard. I literally am going to walk you through a DSP. Shout out to one of our sponsors for making it happen. See below for more information. But we're going to walk through the DSP, set up in front of you, explain when to use brand safety, explain when to not use post verification, explain how to make the decision about inclusion exclusion list. We're going to teach you, especially in workshop 2, we're going to teach you like the basic, or not basic, but the fundamentals when it comes to optimization. If you only had 15 minutes to optimize, here's what you need to start. Here's how you need to start optimizing. Here's how to make the changes, okay? And here's how to take note of that change, so that when you do workshop 3 reporting, you're set up for success and you can really pull an analysis that's going to make change. So make sure you stick around, sign up for the workshop. Shout out for our sponsors for making this workshop as affordable as possible for you. Okay, so make sure you show them some love. And in the meantime, if you have any question, feel free to email me, email anybody at info@heleneparker.com. Again, my name is Ellen Parker. I am so honored you made the time to straight up invest in yourself, make change for yourself. Like, I understand that it's time for you to make change for yourself and take action, okay? That is within your control. Learning is within your control, and you're here, and so I commend you for taking this first step. Also, a special shout out to Aisha Watt, who's going to join me as the co-instructor. See you there.